Good day, everyone, and thank you for joining us on the Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, your guide through the latest happenings in the world of business. Sker Group, Jamaica Limited has advised that at a meeting of its board of directors to be held on September 4, 2024, an interim dividend payment will be considered. The Monetary Policy Committee of the Bank of Jamaica, BOJ, met on August 16 and 19, 2024, and reduced policy interest rates by 25 basis points.
Effective today, the 21st of August, the bank has reduced the policy rate by 25 basis points to 6.75%. We will also continue to gradually reduce BOJ's absorption of liquidity from DTIs.
In making its decision, the Monetary Policy Committee acknowledged that despite the impact of Hurricane Beryl, inflation is expected to stay within the bank's target range over the next 2 years.
The MPC notes that, as stated by the government's domestic fiscal policy, they intend to address the post-hurricane recovery efforts by utilizing existing savings and insurance, and by reprioritizing its expenditure envelope. In this context, the MPC is of the view that fiscal policy will continue to pose no risk to inflation over the near term. In addition, the lagged impact of the bank's relatively tight monetary policy position also continues to have an impact on the economy going forward.
Sker Group, Jamaica, shared its second quarter performance for 2024, which highlighted major developments in the St. Catherine Parish. New Brunswick Village came in at a cost of 6 billion Jamaican dollars, and on the residential side of the development includes 89 units, which include studios, 2-bedroom apartments, and townhouses. On the commercial side, New Brunswick Village will provide Spanish Town and its environs with retail opportunities from entities such as Island Grill, Imperial Optical, Devon House Ice Cream, R.A. Williams Distributors, among others. A second Sker development in St. Catherine is called Portmore Promenade. This development was launched this year and is an 8.4 billion Jamaican dollar project on a 30-acre site. It is expected to create in excess of 1,500 jobs and will house restaurants, a BPO operation, supermarket, retail outlets, green spaces, and recreational facilities. During trading for the period of August 21, 2024, the following companies represent the top 3 most active stocks that investors bought and sold on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Fiberglass manufacturer and distributor Jamaica Fiberglass Producers Limited, with 2,323,225 units, represented 17.58% of the total market volume in terms of sales. Online teaching platform Edufocal Limited, with 1,922,656 units, represent 14.55% of the total market value in terms of sales. Alternative energy provider Wigton Wind Farm Limited ordinary shares, with 1,708,359 units, represented 12.93% of the total market value in terms of sales. Moving from the money moves of investors, executives, and companies on the stock market, we turn to the Forex market. On August 21, 2024, the Bank of Jamaica reported that US $51.70 million was bought from Forex traders, while US $50.48 million was sold to Forex traders. Buying directly from the Bank of Jamaica, foreign currency traders sold the US dollar for $158.40 and bought the US dollar for $156.50. The difference between the buy and sell rate was $1.90, which represents a profit for Forex traders for every US dollar traded. Canadian Forex traders earned a trading profit of 87 cents from transactions with the Bank of Jamaica. The Canadian dollar was sold at $116.74 and bought for $115.87. For traders looking at the British pound, they pocketed a profit of $6.58, selling it for $207.17 and buying it for $200.59. For our credit report tip of the day, we continue to look at bundling auto loans and mortgages if you're in the market for a car and a house. And we want you to benefit from this strategy because you can enjoy lower interest rates, simplified payments, and maybe exclusive perks depending on the bank you choose. Underpinning this strategy is your credit score. When you bundle loans with a bank where you have a good credit history, the approval process can be faster and more efficient. The bank already has your credit information on file, which can speed up the process and reduce the paperwork required. And with that, we wrap up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams. Appreciate your company. Stay well informed, stay ahead of the curve. Until our next update, take care.